Met Office has issued a new weather warning as Storm Claudio continues to hit the UK with strong winds and rain. Storm Claudio has already brought winds of 115 kilometers per hour to southern England. The new storm comes after the UK experienced above-average temperatures in late October. While southern England has been hit hardest so far, northern England has now received a yellow weather warning due to winds for most of tomorrow. This morning in England, a storm caused disruptions to the railway, trains were cancelled or delayed. Areas of Wales are also affected. Northern Ireland and southern Scotland received a rain warning on Wednesday. Storm Claudio is expected to move eastward with heavy showers throughout southern and central England throughout the day.